Hi, this is Tony at Views from the Man Cave, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a couple of pairs of fantastic gloves from Parks Design. Well, I do review quite a lot of gloves on this channel, but that's because I do like a nice glove. They're one of the key contact points on the bike, and people are very particular about them, and we'll probably have more than one or two pairs of gloves to get them through the riding season. So I've got a couple of pairs here from Parks Design in the US, and I'll concentrate on them individually. If I start with the DeerTour PCI glove, only available in black. I wish you could feel this glove though. There's a few bugs and flies on there, apologies, I've been test riding them, but if you could feel this glove, it is so soft and supple. It's I guess you'd call it a cruiser or maybe a bobber glove, but the leather is beautiful. The reason deerskin is used is because of its torsional rigidity. It is allegedly 4 times stronger than standard bovine leather. The secret to these gloves is the lining. Now these gloves have got an Outlast liner, which is a very thin, very thin micro fleece, but it's got great thermal capabilities, so it does keep your hands warm, and what it will do is radiate any heat that it has around the gloves. It's incredibly thin, so it's not a bulky glove. It's a warm glove, but it's not bulky, so it feels almost like an unlined glove. The other benefit of this material is that because, as I said, it tends to radiate the heat around the glove, it's particularly useful for using with heated grips. These work very well with heated grips because the heat that you get in the palm gets radiated around the glove and actually keeps the rest of your hand very warm. Now, one of the key features of the design of this glove is in the construction. Now, these gloves are made with the minimal amount of panels that they can get away with. So you have one big section here for the palm, which misses out those 2 inner fingers. You have one section which is for the thumb, and the back of the hand again is all one section. So minimal amount of panels, and the reason that the guys at Parks design the gloves like this is because quite often in a spill, obviously one of your actions is to put your hands out, but one of the biggest failure points in gloves are the seams. So if you have a glove that's multiple seams, it can give a closer, probably a neater fit, but in a crash you've got more chance of those seams tearing and pulling away. Okay, so the other set of gloves that we had that you saw at the beginning of the video are the standard DeerTour gloves. So they're the same deerskin leather, but these are just plain leather with no lining. So these are the summer weight gloves. Beautifully soft glove. You can see there obviously no protection or anything in these, but they're a beautifully soft glove. They feel gorgeous to wear. They size up pretty standard. Generally on most manufacturers I'm a medium, and these fit very well indeed. They have the same construction as the PCI glove, minus the lining, so there's minimal panels which help prevent the tearing and the coming apart of the glove should there be an accident. These are a beautiful glove to wear. They're very comfortable. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a glove, to be honest, but the deerskin, it's got that torsional strength in it, but it's also pretty good at keeping the wind out. A beautiful pair of gloves if you're just looking for a pair of lightweight summer gloves for riding your bike or driving your classic car or whatever it may be. Then take a look at the DeerTours.